Run git fetch and nothing changes in your local branch. So what did it actually do? A remote tracking branch is a local reference stored inside your own repository that tracks the state of a branch on a remote. When you clone or fetch, Git creates these automatically. They live locally, but mirror what the remote branch looked like the last time you synced. These branches follow a standard naming convention: remote name/branch name, origin/main, origin/develop. Run git branch dash are to list every remote tracking branch your Git client knows about. Remote tracking branches don't update automatically. They only advance when you run git fetch or git pull. Fetch downloads new commits and moves origin/main forward to match the remote without touching your local branch. Pull does the same, then also merges. Unlike a local branch, remote tracking branches are read-only. You cannot commit directly to origin/main, they're frozen snapshots, but that makes them powerful for comparison. Run git log head ... origin/main to see commits the remote has that you don't, and spot divergence before you push. Remote tracking branches, local, read-only pointers mirroring remote state, updated only by fetch or pull. Subscribe for more Git fundamentals. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.